Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how you can search for car hire nearby you on Justdial app. So for that, just open the Justdial app, and when we are in the home page we can just see the car hire option with an car icon. On the right side of the travel section we can just tap on the car hire option right there, and then we can just see a lot of our agencies right there. We can see a lot of travels right there. So, and if you wanna change the location right here, we can just see the location option right there. Just tap on it and just search whichever location that you preferred, and we can just see those car hire nearby you on the Justdial app. So this is how we're gonna look for car hire on your nearby on your Justdial app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.